This Villager Realty, Lewisburg Office property video is presented by Stephanie-DiDomenico. Lovely 5 or 6 bedroom home on James Road in desirable Wyndham Hills. Spacious floor plan offers kitchen with corian countertops, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, breakfast nook. Hardwood flooring throughout much of the main living area. A great 4-season room and 2-tiered deck leading to a beautiful in-ground, heated, rose pool, perfect for summer entertaining. The third floor offers 2 additional spacious bedrooms to accommodate large family or overnight guests. Call the listing agent today for your appointment. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie-DiDomenico at 570-275-8440.